So this idea is to demonstrate pressure. Pressure is defined as the amount of force over the amount of area at which the force is applied. And this relates to something called sort of the bed of nails trick. Now, as you can see here, we have a single nail. Okay, the area would be simply the area of the tip of this nail that we put anything on top of it. So I'm going to place a balloon on top of it there. Now, the pressure, again, is the force over the area being the tip of the nail, and the force being essentially the weight that we're going to apply to that nail. Okay, so right now it's just the weight of the balloon and this sort of wood block on top of it. If I add some more weight to it, I'm going to increase the force, and that increases the pressure, so much that, of course, that it explodes the balloon. Let's see that again in slow motion. Now, let's change the situation. In this case, instead of one nail, I've added a lot of nails. Now, each one has its own individual area, but added together increases a number of times the overall area at which we can apply any force. So now, let's put our balloon back in here. Now again, the force being applied here is simply the weight of the balloon and this wood block on it. Now last time when you saw when there was a single nail there, when we put this heavy weight on, the balloon popped right away. Notice now it doesn't pop. And simply by increasing the area over which the force is applied, the amount of pressure on the balloon has decreased dramatically so that it no longer pops the balloon. So you can actually add even more force. So now I've even dramatically increased the amount of force. But again, that increase of area keeps the pressure low enough that the balloon doesn't actually pop. And this is how the bed of nails trick works. Simply by distributing your force over a much larger area, the pressure is greatly reduced.